Good morning, guys. So right now I'm on my way to Covina to get a facial. Before I used to go to Ulta, so if you guys keep up with me on Instagram, I used to always talk about how I went to Ulta. However, a little bit later in this video, I'll like take a pause to explain why I stopped going there. And it's been, I want to say, like 2 months since I got a facial, and I'm in need of one. So my friend went to the girl I'm going to right now, and her skin was looking bomb. So I was like, bro, I need to go next. And so I just decided that I'd vlog this little experience and, you know, let you guys know how it goes. Also because her pricing was not bad at all. So that way, if I do like it, you guys can go try her out as well. So I'll see you guys there. By the fact that we are glowing. I just got my facial done, and I'm honestly so happy because, oh my god, my nose is itchy. Because my skin feels like, it actually feels hydrated. I mean, aside from the fact that it looks glowy and hydrated and dewy, I actually feel it. Does that make sense? Because when I did go to Ulta after the girl who I originally was going to left, and there was someone else, I would leave and my skin did not feel like this. And it feels good. I feel like my skin is hydrated. And if you guys know me, I'm someone who has dry, sensitive skin, especially around my nose area. I'm very sensitive there. And she honestly did an amazing job. She told me right off the bat, she was like, yes, you're dry. And I appreciate that she acknowledges that, because then I know she's gonna do whatever it is that, you know, she's doing, because I'm not an esthetician. I don't know exactly what's going on, but she's gonna be doing what I need and what's good for my skin. And as I was talking to her, I really liked that she was like, oh, you know, the reason, because she worked for herself, she was like, the reason I do this is because I don't agree with corporations thinking that every facial fits every person. And I completely agree with that. Because especially like myself, I have dry, sensitive skin, and not everything that works for other women work for me, you know, or even men in general. So my skin is completely different, and I like that, you know, we sat there and we both talked about what I told her about my skin, and she told me what would work for my skin, and as she was doing it, I felt it, you know, and I'm honestly really happy. Her pricing is amazing. But let me tell you this, it was less than $100, and it was amazing, and I got everything and more than what I used to get at Ulta or at the healing therapy. Yes, I just threw some shade, but so much better. Don't go to those places. They're stealing your money. But I'll when I get home, I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about my skin. All right, guys, so I know I look different. I know you guys are like thrown away, like, girl, what? You got a whole beat face, your hair is short, what just happened? So it's actually been 2 days since my actual facial. I took my extensions out, and, you know, I beat my face today. Now, the reason why I waited to film the rest of this video was because I wanted to actually see how my, you know, face would react after the facial. That way I could at least film it and upload it all as one video and not just like fill you in on another one. So the very next day after my facial, I woke up and I still felt very hydrated and everything. My skin was feeling good. But the moment I did wash my face, I started feeling like my face was very dry. When I dried my face, like around my nose, which is the place I'm most sensitive, I was really dry and sensitive. But that is my skin type. I'm very, very dry. And I am insensitive. That's something that she noticed right off the bat, and she did tell me that. She was like, girl, you dry. And I was like, sis, I know. But I've been knowing this, and so that's something that's not uncommon. I kind of had forgotten how it was because I hadn't gotten a facial in so long. And so, oh my god, guys, this little hair is bothering the hell out of me. And so, you know, I just kind of had forgotten. But yes, I'm very sensitive. So the one thing she told me, and I do remember, was that she was like, you're gonna really have to, you know, moisturize your skin because you're really, really dry. She was like, moisturizing is gonna be something that you're really gonna need after this. And I was like, damn, sis, thank you for letting me know I'm crusty. So like I said, she already had told me. So I like that she said that, you know, and so that I wouldn't just assume like, oh hell no, this girl did something. You know, she let me know, like, girl, you're dry and you're gonna be even more dry, so make sure you moisturize. Glad she said that. What else? I did break out. Now, that has happened to me before. So on days where I would get a facial, the next day I would always wake up with some type of breakout. I'm sorry, guys. And I would, you know, it would just be a few here and there, but it'll go away. And so when I woke up, I had like a breakout right here, still have it. And then this one, I woke up with that one today. I'm not thrown away by it because, like I said, I have gotten facials before, and that is something that does happen. So I know it's going to go away, and they told me that it happened because you're basically bringing everything up to, you know, the surface. So it's going to come out, and I'd rather have it come out now and, you know, my skin be good, like be treating me, giving me my best life the next week, than, you know, just I get a breakout every now and then. And let me tell you guys, I actually don't really get breakouts like that. It's rare when I do. And don't ever give me chocolate. I don't eat chocolate. I love chocolate, but I don't eat it because I break out. So yeah, I'd rather just have it now with me expecting it. Does that make sense? I would rather have it now. No, I would rather have it come out now. There we go. I was like, whoa, that didn't sound right. But yeah, you know, now when I expect it, then later when, you know, maybe I'm gonna go out one day and I'm like, bro, what is going on? So yeah, that's a little update on that. So how I found, I was gonna say Heddle. I found her through a friend. A friend of mine had gotten a facial with her, and I really liked how her skin looked. And I was like, yo, I need to go to your girl because I don't have one right now. And the reason I stopped going to Ulta was because the girl that I was going to, I'm dumb, bro. I need to get my life together. I was like, I think I'm hungry because I be acting up when I'm hungry. We're just gonna keep on going with this video. So the girl that I was originally going to at Ulta stopped going there because she got another job elsewhere. And the new girl they brought in, she's very nice, but if I'm gonna be completely honest, I feel like she doesn't know what she's doing. And if there's something that I did not like was after my facial, because I did try to go and see how she was, you know, I didn't want to just assume she was bad. She was like, hey, so what do you think? Like, how do you feel? Because she's like, I don't really know, like, if I'm doing a good job. And then I was like, don't get me wrong, guys. I know someone's going to be like, girl, she's asking you for feedback. Now, I completely agree with that. But she was kind of just like, she was unsure of everything. And then she was like, you know, the machine doesn't work, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, yo, I just spent like $100 and something for someone to tell me that they don't even know if my skin is going to, you know, it's gonna make a difference on my skin. And little later I found out that it didn't make any difference. My skin was literally looking the same. I still had blackheads and my pores were still filled. And I was just like, bro, I did not just waste $100 to get basically nothing done. Something that really bothered me was that she specifically put a sheet mask on my face. And to go to a facial or a place where I'm gonna get a facial and be put a face mask, I find that kind of like I could have just done that at home. Why am I paying $100 to just get a sheet mask thrown on my face? And I was like, whoa. Heddle actually did nothing like that. She actually went into my skin. I like I said, you guys actually already saw the videos, you know, the little things she was doing, and not once did she ever do that. And so I was just like, I've been getting facials a very long time now. It's been like a year and a half. Maybe it's not a long time to you guys, but I get them monthly. And no, it's been like 2 years. But I get the monthly, and I kind of know, you know, what to expect, and that's something that I had never had done. So I was like, And she took it off, and she put another one on, and I was like, okay, I'm not paying $100 for this. So that is why I stopped going to Ulta. It was just not the best experience with that girl, and I have nothing against her. Oh my God, let me get my life together. I have nothing. Guys, did you guys notice something? I get my nails done, and I'm out here like, I'm sorry, guys. I can barely do it myself. I know I'm doing it. I'm over here like trying to snatch you away. But yeah, I was not having it, and you know, I'm not gonna pay and I would tip. I'm not gonna be paying $115, $110 for something I can do at home. And like I said, it was not making a difference. So for 2 months, I didn't go to anyone because I do not want to spend a lot of money, nor do I want to, you know, go get my skin done by people who may not know how to do facials. Does that make sense? Because at the end of the day, it's my face, you know? So I'm very picky with who I go to, and I really like how my friend's skin was looking, so I decided to go to Hello, and I don't regret it at all. So I'll be putting her at right here. All you have to do to book an appointment with her, this is not sponsored, guys. This is me just letting you know somewhere you can go that I actually liked. Very affordable, by the way. Much less than I paid at Skin Therapy and at Ulta. Just saying. I know I already said that, but I'm saying it again. So you go on her Instagram. So like I said, I would put it right there. And then you click the link in the bio. You go to, there's 2 types of facials you can get. But when you go in, you can click add-ons and get a few other things. So you pick one. I don't know, I picked one. And then I chose a date. So I couldn't get my facial with her until like a month after, because she does get booked. So if you guys want to book her, make sure you book her with time. So then I booked her, and then I finally went in, and before she starts, she asked you if you want add-ons. I did add on a few things. I added the dermaplaning, and the microdermabrasion. I've always gotten microdermabrasion, so I asked her for that. The dermaplaning I had not gotten, but that is where they take like a little knife and they basically like clean up your face with the dead skin cell. They remove the dead skin cells and like the peach fuzz. Let me tell you, that's amazing. So got that, and then she threw in 2 oxygen facials because I was new. So loved it, and like I said, it was super affordable. I was blown away by the price because I have gone to a dermatologist before. I have gone to different, you know, people who do facials for about 2 years now, and maybe even a little more than 2 years. And I have always paid more than like $100 to $500. I know you guys are like, $500, girl, where the hell did you go? When I went to a dermatologist, they were charging me crazy amounts of money, and like I've spent so much money that I'm just like, I think I have an idea of how much this should cost me, and I just really think her pricing is very affordable. And I honestly am recommending that you guys try her out. You guys know I'm not the type of person to just be like, hey, go try this person out. If I've never gotten something done by them, I've never tried out their products, or I know nothing about it. That's not me. I honestly like to recommend you know, things that I believe in, because I understand, like, we will all work hard for our money, and I'm not the type of person to want to throw it away. Like, girl, I'm gonna save my coins. So with that being said, that's the, like, you know, why I don't go to Ulta anymore. Yes, I did like the result of going ahead on. I do plan on booking her again. Just if you guys want to book her, make sure you leave me a date, because I'm not booked it, but I will be booking it. So yeah, that's just that. I really did like it. I feel like my skin looks good. I'm over here looking at myself in the mirror, not even looking into the camera. But yeah, I feel good. I actually like coming out, I felt like my face felt so good. My skin was glowing all day. You know, you guys are gonna be like, well, no, duh, girl, they put a bunch of stuff on your face. Well, yes, sis, but I'm dry. Y'all gotta understand, I'm one dry ass bee. So I feel good, and I still feel good. Yes, my skin is still sensitive. Yes, my skin is still dry. But I'm glad that, you know, she was like, girl, you're going to moisturize, but my skin is still feeling good. It doesn't feel tight once I put on a little moisturizer. It feels really good. And I feel like my makeup, my makeup application went on well. What the fuck, bro? It went on very well. Is that what I'm trying to say? I think I'm hungry, guys. I'm that girl who, if you don't feed me, or I don't feed myself, I'm completely like...
One eternity later.
Y'all get the point? I need to get my shit together, basically. So with that being said, I hope you guys like this video. This was really just to try to give you guys like another person you can go look at, because she's not Instagram famous. She's not, you know, like, she doesn't have all these followers and all these people getting paid to talk about her. Does that make sense? And I feel like a lot of places do get really well known because they pay people to go in, or they say, hey, come in and we'll do all this for free. You know, does that make sense? So I really just wanted to, you know, shine a little light, because I do think she did a very well job. Why do I keep trying to say that? I do think she did a really good job. Oh, someone help me. And so I'm not even trying to be funny. I feel like dumb as fuck right now. But my point is, I honestly think you guys should go check her out, and I hope to see you guys in another video, because I might as well just end it now with me stuttering and babbling on about God knows what. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do so. I'll be linking it right here. If you haven't subscribed, girl, you're already here. You already watched my video. Just make sure you know, subscribe, like, and let me know. What do you guys think? Is there anyone that you guys recommend? I'd like to see their work, because if there's anything I really like, is going on Instagram or going on Yelp and seeing their work. That to me is what makes a difference. So, you know, let me know. Maybe I'll try them out. Maybe other people who are local to them will try them out. And, you know, you just help someone's business out. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.